Hmm. So guys, this is the first question of today. As we know that we were discussing what number system and LCM and SCF
Hmm.
actually. So we are discussing Bijan IS. So this is the question paper. Read all this question.
Let k be the least possible number divisible by 18, 24, 35, 45, 56.
Hmm.
That k is also a perfect square. Where
Hmm.
find the remainder when k is divided by 325.
Hmm.
Remainder.
So guys, Priyal, tell the demand. What is the demand?
There is a number k with the
Hmm.
least possible divisible of the LCM 18, 24, 35, 45, and 56. We
Hmm.
have to take out the remainder of it when we divide 325
By 325.
with k.
So we have to take out the remainder. So guys, you know what? Let me tell you.
Of course, you will
Let
find
me
k.
tell you my approach actually. What I will do. Arrange here bigger program, but I will not arrange a bigger program because I know number system very well number system. Guys, we are dividing by 325. At the last 5 is there, right? It means this cannot be the answer. Only 10 is possible because there is a system because that factor should be the same, guys. Factor because if we are dividing by a number and at the last there is a 5, so guys, that number in that multiple also 10 multiple or 5 multiple only then it is possible because if you want to get 10, so we need to 2 and 5. So only so here 5 is only possible because they all are what odd number actually. You guys have not understood, na? Now I will follow
What if
tradition.
there is a number 35 in the options then?
Real, they will not give answer like that.
No, if it is
Mm,
there, then it is possible that 35 could be the answer.
no. Then that time you have to arrange a bigger program.
Okay, okay.
Tell me, what you have to do here? LCM or SCF?
Least possible it is asked na LCM Manish.
Hmm. When the question is saying divisible by, so it means LCM, guys. When question is saying divisible by, so it is LCM basically. Let me tell you. So here we need to take the LCM of these all number actually. Should I take? Yeah, you guys will take.
I will take.
What you guys will take?
LCM of
LCM.
those numbers.
Show the number,
Then
honey.
then wait, instead of that I will take.
18, 24, 35, 45. Another one.
24,
56.
35, 45, then 56. We need to take the LCM. Okay, all right. So here I got 2, 3 time, 3, 2 time, 5, 1
1
time,
time. 7,
7,
1
Hmm.
1
time.
time.
Hmm.
Right?
Correct.
Now guys, question is saying that should be perfect square. So now listen here. It is not perfect square because we need one more 2. So here we need 4 to know that it will be perfect square. This is perfect square. We need one
Mm.
more 5.
Hmm.
And
And
one
here we
more 7.
more 7.
7.
So now you
Square.
multiply all these number. Multiply. You
Multiply 2
all
cube.
these numbers.
9,
2 cube into
16.
3 square into 5 into 7, right? Only this much.
No,
2
no,
power
this
4.
also.
2 power 4 real.
Okay, okay.
You have to multiply 2, 4,
Hmm.
then 3 square,
9.
then
Okay.
5
Yes.
square, then 7 square
20,
basically.
30, 30, 30. Hmm.
Wow. Very big number we got, Manish.
What you got?
176400.
176
6400.
400 divided by 3 to 5, right? So now 3 to 5. So, okay, so now we can divide it by 5 actually. So if we divide by 5, so here 65 and here this much. Then again 5.
13.
You divided by 325. Why would you divide by 325, Manish? The LCM.
Real, what is written here?
K is divided by 325.
That K
Perfect
number.
square. Okay, got it. My mistake.
So here I got a 7056 divided by 15.
7056.
Now tell the remainder divided by that. 7056 and tell the remainder.
5, 5, 55, 4. 5, 4. 5, 4, 2. 5, 4, 2, Manish.
Rem-
Around something.
Remainder I'm asking. Remainder.
Acha, remainder.
What will be the remainder?
10.
10. So this will be the answer. See guys, you have got the same answer which I told you just 5 seconds. See, arrange the big program. This is what I'm saying, guys. It will kill your time. See, so this is what I'm saying, and you will get the same answer. There's no problem in that. But what I am telling that is smart approach. 325 is there. It means they can never be the answer. And I think examiner has given the hint. Okay, if you have common sense, use here and get the answer. Yes, guys. If you think yourself, you will get the answer. By the way, I'm moving further. Read this question back again.
The lowest common multiple and highest common factor of 70 to 90 and x are 1080, 18 respectively. Which of the following could be the value of x?
Tell PL what is the demand.
It asks now the lowest common multiple at the HCF and LCM of 72, 90 and X are given 180, 1080 and 18. Then the value of X is at last. Simple.
See, I know one formula.
LCM into HCF is equal to product of those numbers.
Yeah.
But
So
LCM into HCF into is
X into Y equal to LCM into
HCF.
SCF. Guys, but here there are 3 numbers here.
3 numbers.
And here LCF and this is SCF. But guys, you know what? Now I will use my Brahmastra approach. Do you know what? SCF is now listen guys, what I'm telling the concept. Listen, don't use your brain right now. SCF is 18. SCF is 18. Do you know what it means? This X will be the multiple of 18 because SCF is 18. So there is only one number which is divided by 18.
3.
Only 54. You can check. Other than 54, there is no number which is divided by the 18. So that will be the answer. If you want to arrange a big program, let's arrange a big program. I have no problem. I can arrange big program for you guys' sake. See, so 72, 90 into X equal to this is. So we have to find the value of X. So X equal to 72, 90. 18 5 ja 90, and if we divide it, we will get a
2016 72.
6,
72,
right?
2016.
And then say 73 thrice. So X value is 3. If X value is 3, so what? 18 3 ja 54. Again I got, because SCF will be the, because this 18 will be the multiple of X. So what is the value of X? That is 3. So 18 3 ja 54. This is what actually. Because here you cannot follow just traditional method, guys. Because what you formula, you know na, that is just 2 product number. But here there are 3 number. So you have to follow this approach actually.
So we have to
But why-
multiply with 18 here.
Yeah, so whatever number you got, na, you have to multiply by SCF.
But
Because
why we are
yes,
not multiplying with LCM, Manish?
real
1080.
what? Now Bhagya will answer the question. Tell Bhagya.
I don't know, Manish.
Guys, this is common sense. I told you yesterday only कि what is the basic difference between LCM and SCF है. SCF is a factor. If I say, tell what is the fact? Okay,
Okay.
let me check first. You guys know or not basic thing, yaar.
Okay,
Tell
highest
me.
common, you will take out only
2.
one.
Tell me. 2 is factor of 2 is factor of 4 or multiple of 4. Tell.
Factor of
Factor, Manish.
So it means what? कि this 2 is inside the 4. So it means this x will be inside the 18. So that's why x will be multiple of 18. That's why I have taken the not LCM. Because LCM is a multiple. It means you have to go further. Like 8. 8 is a LCM of 4. Basically, for multiple basically. But 2 is a SCF of 2. So SCF is factor. But LCM is multiple. They are the two difference, guys. That's why I'm not multiplying by
LCM.
LCM, guys. Guys, clear out basic concept. If you don't know basic concept, then I cannot do anything here. Yes. That's the study I asked to tell the basic difference between LCM and I know this thing from my first class. Read this question, Priyal.
How many pair of natural number are there such that the difference of their square is 45? Pair of natural number.
Till the demand, what question are you asking?
It asks now we have to take out the pair of natural number whose square difference of their square is 45. 45
See,
will be there.
Bhagya, can you answer this question
how many pairs
within
of natural numbers
within
are
30
there?
seconds?
Such that difference of their squares is no, Manish.
Miss basic concept is not clear. Leave it. I will tell. Guys, basic concept should be clear. Otherwise, you cannot answer the question. What question is saying? How many pairs of natural number are there such that the difference of their square is 45? It means that there are two natural number, let's say, and the square, then their difference is 45. So I know that this formula from my first class. Okay. Now I need to find out the two number, guys, and those number if I multiplied, I should get 45. So tell me,
9 and 5.
45 1, then 9 into 5,
3
then
into
15 into 3. Only these three number are there. No, and not possible other number. You can check. So only three possibility is there. See, common sense. You guys have understood? Should I elaborate it?
do down one thing I want to ask. Why did you open this formula a plus b and a minus b? We can take out not directly. The 45 is given. We can take out directly. Three factors are there.
How really will take that way?
See, 45 multiple is like
No. I'm just showing you, na. I'm
okay.
just showing you. Okay, this is how it will open. If you're not understood, na, let's arrange the big program.
No, understood.
This is the first, na. So here, 23, right? Then 22, and 23 minus 22. So what will be the answer? 45 into 1. Then this 7 plus 2. Then 7 minus 2. So this will be what? 9 into 5. Then this.
Understood,
This.
Manish.
What you understood, Priyal?
We understood how you're solving. We understood
9,
the shortcut method.
9. 1 minute. This and 7. See, I have taken, na? Yes. So here, see, This will be the first, and see 9 is there, na? Then 6. They are the 3 pairs. You can check. I find out. Bhagya, have you understood?
11 will be there, na? 9 plus 6, not 15.
11, real. 9 plus 6 and 11 is there.
15, okay, got it.
Bhagya, have you understood?
Yes, Manish.
Then why you're not telling?
No, she's asking, na.
See, guys, I am telling the program for you guys. Otherwise, you know what? I can answer this question just 1 second. Because my concept is clear, guys. I am just telling this concept for you. Otherwise, I would have answered there only. There are 3 triplets. I am telling for this only. How this is how you can arrange it. This is ABCD actually. First class students know this thing. What is the next question? Read Bhagya.
If 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to minus 1 by 7 and minus 1 by 3 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1 by 25, which of the following will be the maximum possible value of y square x?
You guys have 10 seconds. You guys have 10 second time. Answer the question.
Maximum value.
Because this question belongs to only 10 seconds. Not other than that. Okay, leave it.
1 minute, Manish.
Manish, show 1 minus 1 by 7.
Okay, leave it. It's gone 20 seconds. See,
Minus D.
I will kill you, poor girl. Shut your
D,
mouth.
no?
Now. Tell me, among these options, which one is the maximum?
Minus 1 by 0,
0.
0.
So this will be the answer.
Why?
I will tell, na? Don't worry.
Okay, I got it.
Shut your mouth now, poor girl. See, 0 is there, na? Now my duty is to prove 0. Is 0 possible? So now listen. Here, x will be definitely negative. Any doubt, Bhagya?
No.
The value of x will be definitely negative here.
And y will be positive.
But here,
By 0 will
y
come.
can be negative, 0 as well as positive. So since I have to get the maximum, so let's multiply by 0.
Acha,
So I will get the 0. Really, yaar. Okay, forget, no problem, guys. Leave it.
1 by 0. Got it.
Read this question, Priyal.
If the 8-digit number x45, 456, y72z is divisible by 72, what is the least possible value of x plus y square plus z square?
You know what? People will get afraid here. Oh my god, this much number they have given. No, I cannot solve. When there is a difficult statement, option are easy. Let me tell you. When there are difficult statement, option will be easy. Yes, because this is what I have understood about UPSC. Yes. Now listen. We have to divide by 72, right? 72 means what? The factor of 72 is what? 9 and 8. I got my crush here. 9 again. but before 9, I will use 8 here. Because you know what? That divisibility of 8 is that the last 3 digit should be divisible by 8. So, guys, here 7, 2, and Z should be divisible by 8. Now listen carefully. Right? Now here, tell me, we have to find out the least value. So tell me, what should be put the value of Z so that it should be least and should be divisible by it? Tell me.
16. Sorry.
Value of Z.
Z, na? Wait.
Bhagya, you tell.
Divisible by 8, right?
Yeah, because we have to find the least value. So what should I put the value of Z so that it should get divisible by 8 completely and the value should also be less.
8, Manish, 8 itself.
Why cannot I put 0?
0.
So it means
Least
Z
value
become
0.
0.
0.
Z become 0.
Hmm.
Now listen. Z become 0. Okay. So now cut it. Now you know what? Now I told you, na, 72 means what? 8 and 9. So 8 work has completed. Now I got my this 9 number. So guys, in 9 divisibility everybody knows. Okay, the sum should be divisible by 9. So you count it, guys. Count it.
X plus 4 plus 5. 9, 9 plus 6. 15, 15 plus 7. 22, 22, 24. Plus
10 plus 9, 22. X plus
24.
Y plus 22.
22.
24
हाँ.
Bhagya.
Really, yaar.
4
You
plus
guys are not
15 plus 9, Priyal. 24. 15 plus 4.
24.
24. Right? Now tell what number should I add in 24 so that it should get divisible by 9?
You can add na 27, 3.
3.
3. Now what is the
27.
square of 3?
Square of 3.
Hmm.
We
9.
have to take out.
This is the answer. Because x plus y is equal to there, na? So x plus y you got 3.
Hmm.
So 3 square means what? 9. But you know what? I have told this thing to make you understand. Otherwise, you know what? I would have understood from there also. Okay, z equal to 0 is there. Now this value total 24. So 3 square 9. Like that only. This is Mani's approach. Otherwise, if you want to arrange a bigger program, you can arrange. You are free. Read this question, Bhagya.
Okay.
Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Half less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 by 3. Statement 2. Minus 8 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 10. Each of the above statements are sufficient to conclude that xy is less than 6.
Tell PL what is the meaning of this?
What, Manish? Repeat.
What is the meaning of this?
XY is less than 6, Manish. 4 x into y should be less than 6 here.
It means कि if I multiply x into y, so the result should be less than
6.
6. I have to prove that. Now
We
keep
need
this
na
in
both the
mind.
statement.
Now keep this thing in mind. Now let's consider first statement. 1 by 2. It means कि x value is 1 by 2. And let's say I take a y value 10. So it is 5. It is less than 6. Okay.
No,
But
Manish.
let's say
5 by 2.
I take x value 2 by 3. And now I will take 10.
Hmm.
So it is 20 by 3. It is 6.66.
3.
But now, but now it is higher than 6. It means कि answer is coming both. Less and higher. It means कि
Higher.
not sufficient. I told you when answer is in both side, it means not sufficient the data.
Mm.
This is a simple thing. Read this question, Priya.
If whole a minus b is x more than 6x plus y and a plus b is 3 less than 6x minus y, then which of the following is definitely true?
Tell the demand.
See, they give na equation a minus b is 6 equals to 6, which is less than x plus y, and a plus b is 3, which is less than x minus y. We have to take out which of the option are true. Yeah.
Hmm.
We will put na formula of x plus y and x minus y.
See here. You have to do nothing here. Just what they have given a what variable and you have to adjust them. So guys, now listen carefully. A minus b equal to x plus y more than it means plus 6. This is the statement. This is the first equation. Second, saying a plus b equal to 3 less than x minus y minus 3. Now you add both equation. So it will be 2a. This will cancel equal to
2a.
2x cancel and plus
3.
3. Now 2a minus 2x will
3
be
by 2.
3. So a minus x equal to 3 by 2. It means a minus x equal to 1.5.
5.
So now tell me, between a and x, who is greater?
A.
So this will be the answer. Very simple. Just arrange what question is saying. Bhagya, have understood?
Yes, Manish.
Hmm. Read this question, Bhagya.
The greatest common divisor and lowest common multiple of two numbers is 51 and 56. 256.
Hmm.
Excuse me. Sum of those two numbers is 96. What is the sum of their reciprocal?
Hmm. See, guys, question is saying, do you know what this means? You know what this means? Highest
HCF.
common factor.
Hmm.
So see, you know what? I know one formula.
HCF into
HCF
LCM
into
equals to X into Y.
LCM equal to
X into Y.
the product of two number.
Hmm.
Okay. So LCM they have given how much?
51.
Fif- 51 is
256.
HCF and 256 is LCM.
Hmm.
But and this is what they have not given because they have given sum, not multiplication. Here is the catch. Now you know what? Here people get trapped actually because they don't use their brain. Here I have formula in multiplication, but they've given in sum. So you know what people will say? Paper is difficult, Manish. Not difficult.
You
Use your
can do
brain.
na Manish this. X plus Y equals to 96. Then you will get the value of X, and then you will put here in the equation.
But PLI don't like X.
Okay.
I like this. What question is saying?
Sum of the
Reciprocal.
reciprocal.
So let's say that number are A and B. So reciprocal means what? 1
1
minus
by
A,
A plus
1 by A,
plus
1 by B. So if I will solve it, I will get like that. A plus
Hmm.
B. Now see, A into B, I have got the value this 51 and 256. And A plus B they have given 96.
96.
Now guys solve it. Solve it. 96 divided by 51 into 256. Solve it.
Hmm. 70 into 8. 1 by 136.
1 by 136.
This
Yeah.
is the answer. So guys, don't get afraid when they are. See, I'm not people get afraid. Ki, oh my God, my formula has multiplication. They have given plus. Guys, you read question carefully. You will get the answer. Why are you afraid actually? Yes. Hmm. Now read this question, Priyal. Read.
If M means add to, and N means multiply by, and O means subtract from, and K means divide by, then the value of this equation is less than 2,
You know
3,
what?
4.
Examiner. You know what? This is second class question. Just examiner is trying to what
Also, we
terrify
have
us.
to plus minus in the place of
Yes.
NM, right?
This only.
Okay.
If you want, I can arrange a bigger program. See, 34. Okay. N means what? Multiplication. 4. O means what?
Hmm.
Subtract.
Hmm.
1, 6. N means what?
Add
Multiplication. 2.
multiplication.
Then 2. M means what? Add 2. Then 4. N means
Hmm.
what? Multiplication. 4. Then M means what? Add 2. 8. K means what? Divide by 1. Now guys solve it. So see,
We will
uh,
solve. Wait.
if you will solve this number na, so you will get a then here
What is
if
it?
you will
Divide by 1 you wrote at last? K.
yes yes 4 is there 4 is there
4.
I got the answer. So guys, this is what. See guys, when you get this kind of value na, multiplication plus division na, so always follow this approach, board mass.
Board mass, we have to follow rule.
Yeah, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction.
Subtraction.
Hmm. So always follow this approach. This is what question is saying basically. Hmm. Read this question, Bhagya.
It's 133.
33.
X is a prime number. It is squared and added to a different prime number.
Hmm.
The resultant is a positive number.
Hmm.
The resultant can be an odd number. The resultant can be an even number. The resultant is a negative number.
Hmm. So guys, white will be negative number.
Negative. So,
Yes. Remove it. Hmm. Now see.
first one is positive.
Now see guys. You know what? X is a prime number. So let's say I take x equal to 2. Now if I will square it, because question is saying square. So I will get 4. Now if I will multiply with another prime number. So let's say I multiply by 3. So what is the result? 12.
Not multiply,
Manish.
added.
Adding.
You add into 3, it will be 7.
So you add with 3. So what is the result?
7.
So this 7 was positive or negative?
Positive,
So
but it is
this
odd.
is right, and this is odd. So this is right. Now I have to prove this is even or not. So let's
Take 3.
Let's say 3. Then here 5. So 9 plus 5 equal to 14. See now
Even.
it means कि D is the answer, guys. Because you know what? We know one thing, guys. So when we add two odd number, so the result is always even number. When we add two odd number, so the result is always even number, and this is what has happened here. Yeah, because one is already prime, another is already odd. Both are odd, so they will always be even. Yes. So it means both possibilities are there, guys. Yes. Read this question, Bhagya.
What are the two last digits of 107 power 67?
So tell PL what we will do here.
See,
7
among A
cycle.
and B, answer will be among A and B.
How, Priya? Tell.
Because you only told this method that the power is 67, na? The 7 is the unit digit. So that's why it will come like
Real
this.
here a number is in power. So it does not mean that this will be the answer. I told in different context. Because this will not, this much will not be easy, Priyal. You have to use your brain as well, right? What you are saying, na, this will not be applicable here. Yes. Here you have to follow what? Cyclicity approach. So see.
793 like this it will come.
So 9 repeated. Now after that, this will be repeated. So the cyclicity of 7 is 4. So now you divide 67 by 4. So the result will be how much?
16.
3 is remaining. 3 is remaining. Now what is remaining? Na? You do
3.
power now. 7 3. So 7 3 is what? 3 4 3. It means this will be the answer. See, Priyal. So it means if they are in the power, always find out the cyclicity of the unit digit. Yes.
Why you take out the cyclicity? Like it will be 7 to the power 7. It will be 7. Square will be 49. 3 will be 253. But cyclicity should be 3, right? 253.
No 4 real. 7 power 4 it will come 1. Then again 7.
Acha, from 5th of the 7 to the power 5th it will start again. The cycle.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Most of the digit Priyal have 4 cyclicity. Most of the digit. Except 9. Except 9, most of the digit have 4 cyclicity. Yes. Read this question, Bhagya.
Shubham has a certain number of dresses. If he distributed them equally among 20, 30, 50 children, he left he is left with 16 dresses in each case. However, if he distributes them equally among 14 children, no dresses are left. What is the minimum number of dresses he has?
Guys, you use your brain and tell the approach. What approach you guys will follow? Real, first tell the demand.
Uh, Shubham has some dresses and he distribute equally in 20, 30, 50 children.
Hmm.
Then also he left with 16 dresses.
Hmm.
So the questioner asked na what is the minimum number of dresses he has still.
Yes. So you know
Mul-
what? According to me, this will be the answer. In just 1 second, I brought the answer. You know what? I don't care about this number. Remove them. I care about only this number.
14 and you
Okay,
divide
if
it
you
with
distribute them
individual.
equally, nothing is left.
Hmm.
So if you divide by 14 this number, so it is left something.
Hmm.
Also left. But here, nothing is left. You can check. So this will be the answer. But okay, now I will tell you traditional method, guys. What you guys follow. Listen now. You have to take the LCM of this number. 20, 30 and 50. This will be something around 300. 300 will be LCM. Now, guys, you add 16 because 16 is left. So 316. But this number is not completely divided by the 14. So now what you do? You double 300. So this will be 600. Now add 16. So now this is divided by this 14. This is the answer. So this is your traditional method. But my method is I will take care about only this number. Yes.
Okay.
Why I will care about those numbers? Tell me. Because I have to find out the answer only. I told you guys, always try to find out the pattern. Never focus on the process. Real, have you understood?
Yeah.
Bhagya?
Yes, Manish, I understood.
So guys, read last two questions, guys.
What is the
36.
87th digit after decimal place in the decimal of 7 by 13?
See, you know what?
Okay, when you divide 7 by 13, what is the 87th decimal?
87th digit. You know what? I think it will take 1 hour. If you go till 87th, na, so it will take 1 hour. But you know what?
Not possible.
Here you have to follow what? My pattern. Mani's pattern. See, guys, 7 by 3 you have to divide. So let's arrange a bigger program. Let's arrange a bigger program here. So here,
6, 0.6.
so 13 5
5
ja,
are 65.
65.
5 left.
then
0.
4,
3 are 39. 11. And
then
0.
8.
6 are 1 more 4. Okay, 6 left. 0. 4 are 52.
It
8
will come a
left.
lot, Manish. It is not possible.
no
87.
6 are 0. 1 are 13.
see
7.
7 gone,
1.
7 I have got
Okay.
again. See,
Acha.
so see, it means that after 6 they are getting repeated. So it means that this 87 I divide by the 6 now. So here
1,
14, 84, 3 remaining na,
Hmm.
3 remaining na. So what is the third number? 8. This is
8.
the answer. See. So guys, you know what? If questions are difficult, guys, na, so always try to find the pattern, guys. Okay, see, after this 7 again I have got. From here I started. It means that after 6 every number they are getting repeated. So I will divide by the 6 this number, and what is the remaining? Third. So third number what? 8 is there. This is the answer. Okay, last question, guys. Read Bhagya. 37.
Find the smallest number which leaves 5 and 3 as remainders when divided by 8 and 9 respectively.
Respectively. Tell you guys tell this question. You have just 10 seconds.
Number which leaves 5 and 3 as remainders.
Guys, you have forgotten. This is my crush. 9 is there.
Hmm.
So if I divide any number by 9, So sum of digits should be divided by that number, but 3 is a remainder. So here 5 to 7, it is not. 2 and 3, not possible. 2 and 3,
2 and 1. Not possible.
no, wait, I have done wrong.
2,
See,
1, 3 is possible.
9 to ja 18.
18.
So here 7 is there. So it is not 9, 3 is there, and here 3 is
2s are
there,
18. 3.
and here
8 is there.
1.
8 is there.
8 is
Now
there.
I will check 8 also, because there are two numbers who I am getting 3. So see, 8, you know what? 8 1 ja 1 and
8, 4
4
remainder.
remaining. So this is not possible. This is only possible because 5 should be remaining. See. So guys, always try to find out these 3 and 9. These are the only guys number which will save your time. Let me tell you, 3 and 9. Actually, they are the wonderful number actually in number system. Yes. So Priyal, you can stop the video now.